Welcome back, children. Okay, so in this session we will study the poem. Okay, which poem we will study? Yes, it is your second poem of your textbook. That is, the name of the poem is Nature. What is the name of the poem? Nature. Yes. Now what is a nature, children? Let me show you one picture. What are all these things? Yes? What is it? There is a river, there is a hill, there is a tree, there are flowers, right? Yes, all these are things in nature. This is a nature, children. Yes. Okay. See how beautiful it looks. There is a sun. There is a sky. There are clouds. All these things are in nature. It looks so beautiful, right? Yes. Now let's look at some pictures. Okay, then we will read our poem. What is this, children? Yes, it is a sun. It is a sun. Yes, it is included in a nature. Now what is this? It is a moon and star. See, stars are twinkling. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Have you learned this poem? Yes. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. See the little stars? They look so beautiful, right? The moon and the stars. Yes, clouds, the blue sky, the blue colored sky, and white colored clouds in the sky, right? Yes. What is this? Trees, the green trees, right? Okay. See the river flowing. रिवर देखो, रिवर बह रही है ना. यस. और उसके आसपास में देखो क्या है? ग्रासलैंड है, हिल इज देयर. यस. ओके, लुक एट दिस. 7-colored rainbow, right? It is a 7-colored rainbow. It appears during rainy season. बारिश होती है तभी रेनबो आता है ना स्काई में. Yes, it looks so beautiful. Nature is always beautiful. See the flowers. The flowers. The birds. Right? The birds. So all of these things are in nature, right? Even the animals are the part of the nature, and we all human beings are also the part of the nature. Nature is so beautiful, children. Okay, so shall we start the poem? Yes. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to read the poem with me. Nature is might. Nature is might. What does it mean? Means nature is very powerful. Yes or no? Nature is very powerful, like sun, moon. Everything in the nature has a power. Nature is might. Nature is strong. Nature is very strong, like hills, right? Mountains, hills, or rivers, or trees, they are very strong, right? Nature is beauty. Nature is beautiful, right? Yes, they look so beautiful. The sky, the trees, the river, the greenery look so beautiful. So nature is beauty. Nature is moody. Why we say it as nature is moody? Yes, it is moody. Why? Because see, sometimes it rains, है ना? कभी कभी बारिश आती है, कभी कभी नहीं आती है. Sometimes it is very hot, है ना? कभी कभी बहुत अच्छे से हवा चलती है ना? there is air, and sometimes it stops, there is no air. So nature is moody, है ना? It works according to its mood. Yes, nature is moody. Okay. Nature is smart. Nature is very smart. Yes, it is very smart. Nature is blue. Yes, nature is blue. See, look at the sky. Sky is blue. The water in the river is blue. So, nature is blue. Nature is green. Yes, see, the hills are green. What are the things are green? Hills, trees, grasses, leaves, all these are the green. So nature is green and nature is true. Nature is true, children. Nature never lies. Nature is very true. Yes, it don't lie. Nature is you. Nature is you. You are also the part of the nature. Yes, nature is me. I'm also the part of the nature. Yes, maybe nature का ही part हूँ and you also the part of the nature. Nature will forever be free. Nature is free, children. Yes, the beauty of the nature, does it cost us? Yes, हमको पैसे देने पड़ते हैं for the light of the sun. Yes, for the stars we give money to them, for the rain, for the beautiful rain, for the shadows of the tree, है ना? Do we give money to them, to the tree, to the sun, to the moon, to the sky, to the rain? We give money, पैसे देते हम उनको? No, nature is free. It is very free and it is so beautiful, right, children? Okay, so now read the poem again with me. Okay, shall we read it? Yes. Title of the poem is Nature. Nature is might. Nature is strong. Nature is beauty. Nature is moody. Nature is smart. Nature is blue. Nature is green. Nature is true. Nature is you. Nature is me. Nature will forever be free. Yes. So children, this is our poem Nature. Okay, you liked it? Yes. Now we will read some of the hard words of it. You have to read them along with me. ठीक है, मैं उसके हार्ड वर्ड्स पढ़ूंगी, स्पेलिंग्स आपको भी मेरे साथ रिसाइट करना है. ओके, उसको रीड करना है. ओके, यस. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज, yes, the first word is Nature. 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 Okay, next is Might. 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 Might means powerful. Okay. Next word. Strong. 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 Okay. Next word. Read with me. Beauty. 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 Beauty means very beautiful, which looks very nice, right? Beauty. Next. Moody. 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 Okay. Yes. Next word. Smart. 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 Okay. Blue. 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 Next. Green. 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 Okay. Next. True. 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 Next. Ever. 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 Free. Free. Okay. So these were the hard words of the poem Nature. You have to write them and you have to read them and learn them. Okay, children? Yes. So our session is over. Bye. Take care.